Abaco Power Kitchen Installation Cart Abaco 7040 is an ideal solution to move, lift, and lower slabs in the kitchen during the installation process. High-quality rigid steel structure to handle the large slab up to 1,100 pounds 500 kilograms. Casters with safety brake keep the slab stable. Using remote control to tilt the tabletop from flat to various degrees easily. Pull-out stoppers to place the stone slab on securely. Rotate turn knobs to unlock stone holders, firmly restraining the material slab to the tabletop. Flexible tiltability helps the device transport slabs through narrow spaces. Extra support bars provide safe operation, keep balance, and protect large slabs from damage and breakage. Extend stone holders to optimize efficient protection of the slab. The operator can tilt the large slabs safely and easily. Using remote control to tilt the tabletop from vertical to horizontal. Able to lift or lower the cart with a hydraulic system to move the slab to the working table or kitchen countertops. The edge slider on the cart supports slipping the stone slabs with raised ledges out of the cart smoothly. Abaco 7040 is an innovative design with outstanding features, capacity up to 1100 IBS. The Power Kitchen Installation Cart helps handle large slabs, slabs with raised ledges, slabs with hole effectively and safely. It would be best to use the countertop slab saver to increase protection and prevent slabs from breaking. In addition, we guarantee to provide high-quality products with 1-year warranty, outstanding customer service by AUS standards, and various channel networks.